Everybody, welcome to the second microwaving video. What have we got in store today? A 9-volt battery and some screws. See how this goes down. And getting really close. It's probably gonna fucking explode and scare the shit out of this. See a fucking thing in there. Fuck me. Now open up a door, let some air in here. Good idea turning that light off, now we can actually see. That's all the battery. Fuck me. No wonder they say do not dispose of in a fire.
Still smoking.
Yeah.
Alright. Round two. We'll see what happens to this guy, whatever that is. See if we can get this to arc between these two screws when they're in there.
It's a good idea.
Find the start button. Oh shit, what did I press? I can't see the buttons. Where the fuck is it?
How about you start the thing and then shut the lights off?
I want to watch this, don't get too. The battery's going again. Those screws aren't doing much now. The battery's just on fire straight away. Now it's like...
I don't think there's much left of it to bloody burn. I think most of it burnt before. Oh god, it reeks. Oh.
We need some light clothes, so we just don't fucking have it.
Maybe that'll be for a future video.
Yeah, for sure.
See what's cooking, literally.
The little guy.
Didn't do jack shit, did he?
No, even the screws didn't do anything. They got a bit warm and melted out his eyeballs, but other than that, not that much. I'll have to get some light globes. The next video.
Yep. Alright, so that's next episode, guys.